I have got some mistakes in the screen catch in the MongoDB. Is for here the question 5, the point 3 question. It will be find some the movie which is connect have the backbone but not have the Gandalf. So for the MongoDB, it will be catch these two condition. So it will be use the and at first, then it will be search will be get the label first, and will be follow the next condition is will be check is did the system have the Gandalf. It will be delete it if the system have Gandalf in the research. So when we run for the Mango system, it will be shows for here like here it have notes. So it will be no more the Gandalf, but will be catch the believable. It will keep the two function based for the different for the progress use the SQL function language. It will be used not like here. Here it's also the big condition is use keep the AND function. It will keep the two condition in the search function. It will keep the variable and follow that. It will be match is that the movies have the Gandalf. It will be delete that the research. So basic for these two database the language, I think the MongoDB is have some different for their the MongoDB they have used on the language for their system, and the progress almost like use the SQL the language for run for the database. So and when it's the first different for I think it's about the MongoDB use when they create the tables. It's just you can type anything you want, but you just will be type the database which you want to put in the title. It will be must be which the database belongs the title. It must to put in the first line. Then you can insert any way you want. But in progress, use the SQL the language, it will be keep the fix keeps here. It will be like here. It will keep the fix function. It will be you will think about the database the table which should will be in the it will be have in the table is the about the database. Like this will be get the title or some the winter in the movies, what in the movie or the something. So you will think about first, but it also can use as I forget the to change the table function there you can also upload what they want. But MongoDB, so that means MongoDB can some user use that can put some any way you want and just put their put anyway. So that's almost like person will use for the general the everyday the dialect, and it can be more information to some person. It's not very know about the computer, but they can also use the insert for the database. So and the SQL will be different for the MongoDB. It will be clear to see the relationship like here, because they can use the foreigner and the primary key, and it will be get the foreigner key will be get the catch the it's very clear to catch the two tables. It's very so it's see very clear. Then I think it will be clear to see the two tables like here, like the comments and the post, the two relationship with the two tables, it will be very clear because it gets catch the same ID to between these two tables. So I think that's at the moment I can find some difference for these two database. So thank you. That is the first C.